So much context gets created outside of the warehouse. Tools like Notion and Linear, and it would be really nice if I could pull all of that context into Hex, and even better, write back to those systems based on the stuff that I learn in Hex. Thankfully, Hex just launched the ability to act as an MCP client, which means it can connect to other MCP servers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all that set up, and then a quick example of a way that I can read from Notion and then write back to Notion based on what I learned in Hex. The first thing I want to do is go into settings. As a regular individual user, I would go into connected apps, and then under external apps, I can enable the ones that I care about. And so once that's done, now I can use Notion and Hex together. As a quick example, let's say I want to start a thread, and I have this Notion doc here about some distribution team retro where in my fictitious e-commerce data set, we were seeing a ton of returns. And so we did a quick deep dive retro on what happened. I can quickly start a thread in Hex, say, hey, we ran an experiment to improve our return rate. Here's more information in this Notion doc. Point Hex threads to that, and then kick it off. Let's let this thread think, and then I'll show you what it comes out with at the end, and then we'll talk about what comes next. Okay, so the Hex agent came back with its verdict, and basically the experiment did not deliver on the primary goal. And the nice thing is I didn't have to tell Hex what those goals were. It read the Notion doc and grokked everything it needed to from that. And now to sort of close the loop on this, because ideally I want all of this information to go back into that Notion doc so that I can reshare it with the same audience. I can actually just have Hex write that update for me and push it into that Notion page. So I can say, can you add this verdict and findings into the Notion doc? Hex agent added it to our page. If I go back here and I scroll to the bottom, I see this is where the agent has written all of this information inside of the Notion doc with some key observations and suggested next steps. So tons of workflows that you can use here to integrate the way that you're working in Notion, the stuff that's happening there, the meeting notes, the transcriptions, all of it can now be used in Hex as additional context and another place for the work to wind up. Let me know if you have any questions or if you want to see anything else. But till then, thanks all.